this goes back to when you asked me about a verse. Mark 16, it says, these signs follow those who believe. It doesn't say these signs follow those who are skeptics. It doesn't say these signs follow those who have everything right. It doesn't say these signs follow those who have university degrees, doctoral, a doctorate in theology. It's these signs follow those who believe.
Yeah.
It's just a really simple truth, and it's getting myself to understand that I just have to believe. And so with that, I believe for crazy things. Really just shifting ourselves out of the place of unbelief. This is what I say. If you've been around me lately, you would know that this is kind of my mantra, that logic, unbelief, and doubt are all enemies of faith. So we've all been given a measure of faith. So we have this faith. We have it. He's already given us the faith. We don't need to make our faith bigger or grow or do whatever. We don't need to do that. We need to position ourselves and believe and remove doubt, unbelief, and man's logic. Because for one thing, God doesn't operate in man's logic.
Exactly.
So when we remove those things, then God's like, I can step in now. Because those are the enemies of our faith. Those cancel our faith out. Even though we still have it, it makes it null and void. So we got to remove the doubts, the unbelief, the man's logic, even fear. That's another faith killer. Fear.
You betcha.